Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Confluence. We'll explore their fundamental differences and how each platform serves distinct organizational needs. Notion provides a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and wikis, empowering individual and team productivity. Confluence, on the other hand, is a robust team collaboration software, specifically designed for knowledge management and documentation, often favored by larger enterprises. Let's dive into their core purposes and see which might be right for you. Notion truly shines with its block-based editor, allowing for unparalleled customization in creating dynamic pages, databases, and project boards. It's perfect for personal productivity and agile project management. Confluence, however, offers powerful features for structured documentation, like meeting notes, technical specifications, and comprehensive team wikis. Its deep integration with other Atlassian products, such as Jira, makes it a go-to for development teams and large-scale knowledge bases. Both offer unique strengths for different use cases. When it comes to collaboration, Notion provides real-time editing, comments, and granular sharing permissions, fostering a highly interactive environment. Confluence excels with its advanced version control, inline comments, and robust permission schemes, ideal for maintaining official documentation and ensuring content integrity across large teams. Notion integrates with hundreds of third-party applications via its API, while Confluence boasts native integrations with a wide array of enterprise tools, especially within the Atlassian ecosystem, streamlining workflows effectively for many organizations. Regarding pricing and scalability, Notion offers a generous free personal plan and team plans starting around $8 per user per month, making it accessible for various budgets. Confluence also provides a free plan for up to 10 users, scaling up with enterprise-level options tailored for larger organizations. Notion is incredibly adaptable, suitable for individuals to massive companies, while Confluence is often the preferred choice for large enterprises due to its comprehensive administration, security features, and extensive audit capabilities. Consider your team size and needs carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.